Every year, electricians across Canada struggle with the same problem. Not because they're impossible, but because they're confusing, inconsistent, and often taught the wrong way. Many electricians are told to memorize formulas from the Canadian Electrical Code. One missed step can mean undersized services, failed inspections, or costly rework. The real problem isn't the math. It's that load calculations are rarely taught as a clear, repeatable process. That's why I created this mini course, to break Section 8200 down into a simple, proven 7-step load calculation method. You'll learn exactly what to include, what to exclude, and how to apply demand factors correctly every time. No guessing, no memorizing random rules, just a clear system you can use on the job, on exams, and with confidence. By the end of this course, you won't just know how to calculate loads. You'll understand why each step matters and how to explain it. Let's simplify load calculations. Let's make Section 8200 finally make sense.